So I've been through 6 windshields in 2 months.
Man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, you demoing?
How you
I
doing?
missed the demo today. I've been busy. I wanted to hear it, man.
Let's do it.
Can I get in the other way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the door. I saw the door was taped up. Yeah. So right here?
Yep.
Okay.
We pull on it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, base will break everything. It's a very unique box style in the subs.
Oh yeah. So the subs are DSS Savage Neo 18s on 6 Triumphs MD8 case.
6 of them.
Yep.
So there's 6. Is there some on the sides?
They're in the back.
Oh, in the back. Okay.
Yep. So these Smart 3s are for the doors.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for the mess in here.
It's all right. So what is your name?
Jason.
Jason. Okay. And
Yeah.
what's your electrical like for the system?
We have 2 Mechman 370 alts and a CES 240 running the 12 volt side.
Okay.
And 190 amp hours of C-Max.
Really? Wow. Nice. Who built this?
So I actually bought this already done.
Okay.
From Team 8 Loud down in Florida.
Okay. Very nice. I think I remember getting a demo when they were blowing the windshield out.
Yep. Yep. And I think I remember seeing that video on YouTube.
Yeah, he shattered the windshield. It was Josh or somebody.
Yep.
And it's a lot of cone area, and it's just a deep box.
Yep.
Yeah. Do you know how many cubes is in this at all?
I don't.
You have no idea?
I don't. Oh yeah, I definitely got those hot.
Yeah,
But
you
I
did.
can show you the amp rack in the back.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so you actually have 2 of them hidden?
Yep.
Okay, because I was looking back here earlier before you came.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's got 1 per sub and then
Are they at 1 ohm or?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Wow.
We're running those at 15.8.
Yes, sir.
And the truck is running on a separate electrical 12 volt side.
Yes, sir. Wow.
So I've been through 6 windshields in 2 months.
Man. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Nope. I just.
Yeah, awesome, man. Wow. It's very nice. Are these Neos?
Yep. 4-inch coil Leos.
Very nice.
$5,000
Yep.
I got my top dropped. I'll go. Push. Going. I do it. Say it.
man. Well, you got them hot a little bit.
Oh, yeah,
I appreciate it, man. Wow, I appreciate the demo, man.
No
That's
problem.
insane.
Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you. This is brilliant. You did a really good job. Thank you for showing me. You're welcome.